Okay, I'm playing Mega Man 2, one of my favourite games ever for the NES. Absolutely superb game. Iconic. So I decided I'd stream it. So if you're not familiar with the game Mega Man, the character I am is a robot. That's why needing to breathe underwater here isn't an issue. He's obviously made of water-resistant materials. To say that his machinery can function without any issues whatsoever underwater. So I'm currently playing the level of a guy called Bubble Man. He's the boss in this level. So if I touch any of these black spike-like objects here, it's instant death, so you can't touch them at all. And I'm using Metal Man's powers because I've defeated that boss earlier. You can choose whatever order you want to defeat the bosses in, whichever you wish. So I always tend to defeat Metal Man first because his powers are particularly useful when tackling subsequent robot enemies. So these kind of evil robots that you are tasked with defeating are programmed by Dr. Wily, who's the arch villain in the game. And Mega Man is programmed by Dr. Light to thwart the world domination plans of Dr. Wily. So Bubble Man is essentially rendered useless once you've defeated Metal Man first, because I have I can fire these metal blades in multiple directions. So if I was a default character, I'd have to do some awkward jumps and so on to hit him, but not required there. Pity you can't hear the music. Some of the greatest music ever composed for the NES in this game. It's class. So now I will get Bubble Man's powers. So I've beaten Bubble Man, Quick Man, Wood Man, and Metal Man. So let's take on Airman. Airman himself is a very easy boss to defeat, but his level is kind of annoying and difficult. But I'll take it on. I'll try and beat it without dying. I'm just going to take a lot of intentional damage just to speed things up. Because you kind of have this window of invincibility after you're hit. It's like a grace period. So it just speeds things up an awful lot. So these guys are weird. They're like Zeus almost. They're lightning bolts. It's kind of awkward now being stuck behind clouds and whatnot. Obscuring the visibility. This is another reason why Metal Man is so useful. Well, as a default character there now, it would be very difficult to get past that sequence. I'm just going to let them drop the enemies there, so I can reload on some energy. And some health maybe. See if they throw any health bar my way. A small bit. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, full ammo and full health. Couldn't ask for more. You have unlimited ammo with the default character, which is Mega Man. The character the game is named after. So if you use any of the other boss's powers, you have limited ammo. And that's what those green rectangular objects that I'm gathering are. They're just ammunition. Oh no! Oh man! Took a hit from behind the cloud. Disaster. Couldn't have seen that coming. Hit in midair. Man. Oh, I need to have that. I should have had that memorized. That could happen. It's happened before, I knew it could happen again. Disaster. those guys kind of buffet you back, so you have to be. Damn her anyway. Let's not allow her to do it this time. Okay. Just wait in case she's there again, yeah? They just kind of respawn a lot. If you're ready and waiting for them, there'll be another one here. Doesn't really matter if there's one here, I'll allow her to hit me if she needs to. Oh man, so I have to switch to Mega Man here. Because I believe Airman is impervious to Metal Man's attacks. It's a very easy strategy to defeat this robot. You just jump over the lowermost tornado and just shoot him as often as you can. So there we go. Doodle-doo. So I acquire Airman's powers and I get a special item which will flash up on the screen. These are the pioneering games of the time. Absolutely superb. Item 2. This is Dr. Light, the guy who programmed Mega Man. Can't skip this sequence, unfortunately. So let's take on Flashman. Flashman's a very trivial battle as well. The boss himself is very easy to defeat. Once you've beaten Metal Man. His level is a bit annoying though. His level is difficult enough. There's a low friction coefficient obviously on this ice, so you slide around a lot. This is the music you're missing, like it's top class stuff. I'm gonna get out Quick Man actually, because Quick Man's boomerangs are most effective at defeating those very irritating, whatever you want to call them, giant bipedal robots that hop around. Oh man. It's a very awkward jump, that flying jump to the boss. There we go. So I re-equip Metal Man. So like this is a very kind of trivial fight once you got Metal Man, because Flashman is very vulnerable to his attacks. I think I get an item for beating him as well, item 3. Item 3. Where are you at? Come on. Let's go here. Oh man. So you get equipped with the ability to stop time or freeze time temporarily. with him. Crashman's level is annoying, but I'll take it on. Again, I'll be using Metalman a lot. I'll be using Woodman. These enemies will just constantly respawn. They're very annoying, so you're just gonna take them out with Metalman's blades. Like, you see these speedrunners absolutely class. They would use all the special items to negotiate their way through this kind of a level at great speed. I'm just going to take the safe route and just deal with those enemies individually as they try and bother me. So I'm going to get a Woodman's leaf shield here, so they won't be able to bother me now as they just wait for this to transport me over towards that ladder. Just a waiting game. Patience, my man, patience. So I'll be taking a lot of intentional hits on the way up these ladders. You eventually just climb up into space and take on Crashman. I have to finish this level within 3 minutes because I have a maximum recording time of 15 minutes. So I've got like 2.5 minutes to get up to the top of all these ladders. And these kind of robotic chicks will try and knock me back all the time. Man. What breed, what species of bird does that look like? I don't know. It's hard to discern what kind of species that resembles. It's very annoying, whatever it is. She's blatant disregard for her chicks. Just depositing them in the right into the path of an oncoming robot who's wielding metal blades. It's crazy stuff. Where are her maternal instincts? Come on. Come on. God damn it. Oh man, I've only got like less than a minute to finish this. Gotta get into the boss quickly. Yeah, I'll beat him in a minute or less. He only takes 2 hits with Airman. He's very susceptible to Airman's attacks. So I'll just jump while he's in midair. I'll hit him with Airman. Oh, he only took 1 hit. Wow. Jeez, I thought it was 2. I must have got him with the perfect hit. Okay. So it's like I'm pretty sure the stream is going to end by itself in the next 20 seconds. So there's no point taking on the final boss. I'll just do that in the next video. So we'll just end it at that. Until the next one.